Nala and Simba are out and about making new friends in the Pride Lands. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Color the elephant and tick the correct body parts.
Color the elephant and tick the correct body parts. Ear, tusk, feet, trunk.
Looks like you're done. Press the button at the bottom of your sheet to, alright. Oh, you got everything right. Give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. Amazing! Zazu is a hornbill. He has beautiful blue and white feathers. Let's look at some of his other feathered friends. Circle all the animals that have feathers. Remember, there might be more than one right answer here.
Circle all the animals that have feathers.
Press the button at the bottom of your sheet to say, alright, let's check. Well done! You circled all the animals that have feathers. And look, they're all birds. Great going! Practice. I'm here to help you in each step of the way. Let's get started. Simba has wandered away from home and must find his way back to Pride Rock. Can you help him find his way back? Follow the path with animals that have fur to lead Simba to Pride Rock.
Follow the path with animals that have fur.
Fantastic! You followed the path with animals that have fur, leading Simba to Pride Rock. Great going! Alright, it's time to practice. I'm here to help you in each step of the way. Let's get started. Timon is a furry little meerkat, and Pumbaa, the warthog, has thick skin with little fur. Different animals have different coverings on their bodies. Do you know what they are? Tick the correct options to fill in the blanks.
Tick the correct options to fill in the blanks. Tigers have fur. Snakes have scales. Birds have feathers.
Only two more answers to go.
Scales. Lions have fur.
You did it! Tigers and lions have fur. Snakes and fish have scales. And birds have feathers. Super duper! Scar loves admiring the claws on his paws. Paws help him move around silently when he hunts. Let's find another animal that has them too. Join the dots to find an animal with paws.
Join the dots to find an animal with paws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Polar bear.
Looks like you're done. Press the button. Okay, let's check. Fantastic! You joined the dots to draw a polar bear. They have paws which help them walk on snow and ice. Great going! Pumbaa has many friends in the forest. They all have different types of feet. Let's take a look at these. Match the animals to their footprints.
Match the animals to their footprints. Giraffe, goose, elephant, cheetah,
Looks like you're done. Press the button. Okay, let's check. That was brilliant! You would make an excellent wildlife explorer. Great job! Timon has spotted something interesting near the waterhole. What could it be? Oh, footprints! There are so many of them. Count and write the number of animal footprints you see.
count and write the number of animal footprints you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 claws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7
Looks like you're done.
Oops.
Press the button.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paws.
Good job. All right, it's time to practice. I'm here to help you in each step of the way. Let's get started. Stomp, stomp, go the mighty elephants. Do you See what big feet they have? Let's follow them through the Pride Lands and see what other animals we can find there. Circle the correct answers to fill in the blanks.
Circle the correct answers to fill in the blanks. We have paws that helps us walk fast. We are tiger and lion. We have hooves that helps us trot. We are deer and zebra.
You're doing great. Only 2 more answers to
Webbed
go.
feet that help us swim. We are duck and frog.
Perfect! Tigers and lions have paws. Deer and zebras have hooves. And geese and frogs have webbed feet. Great going! Simba is out for a prowl in the jungle. He sees a strange footprint. Is there a new animal around? Let's find out. Tick the correct answers to fill in the blanks.
Tick the correct answers to fill in the blanks. I am a cheetah. I have paws. I am a goose. I have webbed feet. I am a giraffe. I have hooves. I am a zebra. I have hooves.
Looks like you're done. Press the button. Okay, let's check. Fantastic! Cheetahs have paws, ducks have webbed feet, and giraffes and zebras have hooves. Great job!